In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add awesome screenshot to Chrome. By the end, you'll have a powerful tool in your browser that lets you capture full pages, record your screen, annotate visuals, and share them in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. To get the extension, head to the official Awesome Screenshot page or its listing in the Chrome Web Store. Both locations point to the same trusted extension, so use whichever is more convenient for you. On the Extensions page, look for the Add to Chrome button. This is the standard way Chrome installs trusted tools. Click it, and a small confirmation window will appear. Click Add Extension to approve the installation. Chrome will download it in the background, and you'll see a brief confirmation that the extension has been added. Next, make it easy to access. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the extensions icon that looks like a puzzle piece. A small menu will drop down with a list of your installed extensions. Find Awesome Screenshot in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the extension visible on your toolbar so you don't have to open the menu every time you want to use it. You should now see the Awesome Screenshot icon appear to the right of your address bar ready to go. Here's what you can do with it. Awesome Screenshot can capture full-page screenshots, which is perfect for saving long articles, dashboards, or receipts that extend beyond your screen. It can record your screen for quick demos or walkthroughs. It also lets you annotate images with arrows, text, and highlights, making explanations clear and professional. When you're done, you can share your screenshots with links or save them locally to your device. Let's walk through taking a full-page screenshot. Open the web page you want to capture and make sure it's fully loaded. Click the Awesome Screenshot icon on your toolbar to open the menu. Choose Capture, then select Full Page. The extension will automatically scroll through the entire page, stitch everything together, and generate a complete image from top to bottom. Once the capture appears, you can annotate, copy it, share a link, or save it directly to your computer, whatever suits your workflow. That's it. You've added Awesome Screenshot to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and learned how to capture a full page. Try it out on a few sites to get comfortable, and you'll be creating clean, shareable visuals in no time.